Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a controller that brings a vibrant twist to your Nintendo Switch gaming experience. It's the PowerA Enhanced Wireless Controller with Lumectra. Known for its customizable RGB lighting and competitive pricing, let's see if it's worth your attention. Starting with the design, the PowerA Enhanced Wireless Controller offers a solid build that feels comfortable in hand. It's mostly plastic with matte finishes on the front and rear, and a glossy top. The controller's ergonomics are similar to the Nintendo Switch Pro controller, making it easy to hold during long gaming sessions. The standout feature here is the Lumectra RGB lighting. This isn't just a gimmick. It's fully customizable directly on the controller itself. You can adjust different lighting zones like the analog sticks, face buttons, and triggers. Learning the customization shortcuts takes a bit of time, but once mastered, you can create some stunning visual effects. In terms of performance, the controller connects via Bluetooth to the Nintendo Switch, offering responsive gameplay across various genres. It includes full Euro controls, ensuring games like Splatoon 3 remain enjoyable. However, it's important to note its limitations. It's exclusively designed for the Nintendo Switch and doesn't support PCs or other consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. Android compatibility is also limited, with noticeable latency issues in some mobile gaming scenarios. Battery life is decent, offering around 15 to 20 hours per charge with the Lumectra lighting on. Turning off the RGB lights extends battery life further, but you'd be sacrificing one of the controller's standout features. So, should you consider buying the PowerA Enhanced Wireless Controller with Lumectra? If you're looking for an affordable alternative to the Nintendo Switch Pro controller and love the idea of customizable RGB lighting, this controller definitely stands out. It delivers solid performance and feels great to use, especially for Nintendo Switch gaming. However, if you need a controller that can also work seamlessly across multiple platforms or prioritize longer battery life, you might want to explore other options like the official Nintendo Pro controller. Overall, the PowerA Enhanced Wireless Controller with Lumectra offers a compelling package for Switch gamers who want style and substance without breaking the bank. That wraps up our review of the PowerA Enhanced Wireless Controller with Lumectra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and gaming insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about this controller or if there are other products you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.